Hi, my name is Capt.Vigo and I'm from SpaceGen Aviation. So today we are at HITEX Kids 2025. We are here to support the kids who wanted to explore aerospace and aviation. So this aerospace and aviation, which is not being taught in schools, so we are bridging the gap by coming to HITEX Kids. Here, what they are doing is they are actually doing a flight simulation. The flight simulation will help you to understand how the real aircrafts fly. In this, the student or the kids experience the takeoff, landing, and cruising. So the takeoff and landing, our team is actually teaching them how to do the takeoff, at what speed they have to take off, at what angle they have to take off, and what is the target altitude. And after reaching the target altitude, how they can turn the aircraft without skidding or slipping, at what speed, and then land the aircraft. While landing the aircraft, we are giving them the challenge. We switch off the engine in the mid-air and let the student handle the crisis situation. So that is the dead stick landing. We call it as dead stick landing, and that is what they are doing here. And so when you actually see all the aircraft models and other things, most of them are done by students itself. They do all the hard work, and they fix the electronics and they make it fly. For example, we have a rocket. The rockets can go up to 1,000 feet high to 2,000 feet high, and the 1,000 feet high rocket that once it reaches the altitude of 1,000 feet, the rocket opens up in the mid-air and land with the help of a ballistic recovery system, which is also called as parachute, and now it comes back and land in the same ground where you have taken off. So that is one of the best things that students can experience. Next one is this is a single stage rocket. The next one is a multi-stage rocket. The multi-stage rocket can go up to 1,000 feet high to 2,000. After reaching 1,000 feet high, the module separation happens, and this is more fascinating to experience. And then the next module takes off in the mid-air with the help of a different fuel type. Now, initially, it starts with the solid state fuel, and in the mid-air, it converts to a liquid state fuel. So that is more about it, and it is more of a science. And though we are here at HITEX Kids, we are supporting anybody who wants to fly. From age of 6 to 60. That is more about it. Thank you so much for covering us.